Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we're going to see how you can hide and unhide columns through AppScript. So first we'll see how you can hide columns, and then we'll see how you can hide a column which is empty and which has some values. So for this, click on extension, go to AppScript, and let's hide columns. So let's say first we take a function, hide columns, and we'll take a variable. We define sheet, so it's spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet, and get active sheet. And let's say we want to hide okay, first we define a variable columns to hide, or 6. We have to use for each function for this. Hide dot for each column sheet dot column. Okay, so I made mistake here. So if I okay, so see, we have these columns are hidden now, this second, fourth and sixth column. Let me rerun it, or let's say I wanna hide 1, 2, 3. See,